Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open Language Hub and sign in. Now confirm your language and level so the system adapts content. Once done, pick or create a workspace that matches your course or project, and make sure microphone and camera permissions are enabled for interactive tasks. Begin the first lesson immediately to register progress. This triggers personalized recommendations and resource unlocking. Also check any subscription or license prompts so features like grammar checks and speech scoring are active before you proceed with. Now configure your learning plan. Set clear goals and a schedule, and turn on spaced repetition to boost retention. Once configured, customize content by adding vocabulary lists, selecting pronunciation drills, and marking grammar focus areas so lessons align with needs. Begin practice with mixed exercises, speaking prompts, short writing tasks, and comprehension quizzes, and use the dashboard metrics to monitor accuracy and fluency. Make adjustments to difficulty and pacing as progress data appears, and sync across devices to keep momentum. To finish, review the session summary and export progress reports so you can see strengths and weaknesses, then set the next achievable goals. Once complete, sync or back up your workspace and adjust notification or privacy settings to control reminders and data sharing. If something goes wrong, like missing audio, failed uploads, or stalled scoring, clear the app cache, reauthorize permissions for microphone and storage, and restart the app. If issues persist, contact support with a brief log and exact steps to reproduce the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.